So for this video, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna attempt to fix my Dyson SV11 wireless or cordless vacuum. And I've had this maybe like 3 years, maybe 4. But yeah, it was working, and then the battery started like draining faster, and I would get less time to vacuum like over the last year. And then now it like just shuts off. Like I'll fully charge it and it'll just stop like in 30 seconds or less. Actually, not even 30 seconds, like 5 seconds. So, and I'm not even using it on the max. And before I could use the max, like maybe I want to think like 10 minutes. So it's just, you know, the battery on these things are not good. This is probably like the 3rd one we've had. And yeah, the battery always runs out. And then my friend Jana told me that you can change the battery and it's like brand new. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try that. But the problem is with Hawaii, it's really hard to get like a battery sent here from the mainland. I guess you know the lithium ion regulations and all that. But I did find an eBay seller that was willing to send it to me. So I got one. And I just did a search like Dyson SV11 replacement battery, and a bunch comes up. If you live on the mainland in the US, you probably have no problems trying to getting your hands on this. It was just hard for me. Like I looked, and then for a while I couldn't find anyone who would ship it, and then I just recently looked again, and then someone shipped it. So this is not a Dyson battery. It's I don't know exactly. I guess this is the brand that makes it. The specs were the same as, you know, when I looked on the bottom. So I'm gonna attempt to do this myself, and yeah, we'll see. So I'll try. This is fully charged, and I'll show you what happens. Nothing, and then this blinks red, and it's been doing that for like a couple months. So irritating. I have to use my other one that I leave downstairs, so I have to bring it upstairs. Anyways, so I'm gonna attempt to do this. I have a screwdriver. I want to say I'm just gonna unscrew this and then put it on, but we shall see. So there's a lot of different Dyson models, so you just have to make sure you're getting the right one for your model. This is an older one, so this is not like the newest for sure. So I'm just unscrewing this. It's kind of a small screw, if you can see. I have to use this like really pointy, I don't know, plus sign, I don't even know what this is called, screwdriver. You know, some of them are fat, you need the skinny one. And sorry, my vacuum is super old and gross because we used it every day for like years. Okay, now, is there another screw? It seems like there's another screw. Okay, there's 2 little screws over here. Whenever you're doing this kind of stuff, make sure you don't lose the screws. So I'm just gonna put it over here. And I am not handy, so if I can do this, then you for sure can fix your own vacuum too. Or at least replace the battery. I've seen some videos where they are using like power drill batteries. I do not know if that works, and I didn't really want to try that. So it has this thing, I'm just putting it right in there, snapping it in, and then let's use the screws and screw it back. I want to say the battery was like about $25, $26 on eBay. Of course, the prices can vary. And I'm not sure if it's already charged. I may have to charge it and then do the second part of this video. Okay, so it's in there. Let's see if it's charged. So far so good. And then on max. obviously it's working. I'm so happy. I won't waste your time and like try to run out the battery, but and, you know, anything was better than what it was before with the dead battery. So super happy. I guess I'll write in the description if it lasts as long. I'm planning to clean the house right now, so I'm gonna use the long attachment as a regular vacuum. But yeah, thanks for watching, and now you know that you can change this and you don't have to go out and buy a whole new Dyson. I was totally ready to do that, and they're like not cheap, right? They're like $300-400, maybe more now, I don't know. So changing the battery for like $26 is such a good deal. Get a couple more years use out of this. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video.